Hey everybody, before I get going with this video, I just wanted to mention that if you could stick around to the end of this video, I do have a little time-lapse video I did of the snowfall today, so you can kind of see the transition from being somewhat green outside to being all white. So yeah, so stick around to the end so you can see that, and as long as I'm talking, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for taking the time to hit that subscribe button, and enjoy the video. Hey, good morning everybody. This is Organic Dairyman. Today is, I think today is April 10th, or is it? Yep, April 10th. Wednesday, April 10th. And yeah, it's just starting to snow out here this morning. This is the calm before the storm, and I don't know, let's say by tonight everything's gonna be white around here, white looking again, and we're gonna be back to kind of where we started, back to the way it was a few weeks ago. And yeah. Yep, the snow is coming, so can't do anything about it, but they say we're supposed to get hit the worst, or South Dakota is anyway. It's supposed to, parts of it are going to get hit the worst, so what can you do about it except live with it and deal with it and try to keep a positive attitude. But yeah, so we're gonna get the cows milked here this morning, and then I don't know if we're still gonna attempt to clean that dry cow shed out. If we don't, we're gonna for sure bed in there, but we're not for sure yet. So here comes the snow. Hey everybody, I'm in here milking, and it doesn't look very pretty outside. Let me show you. If I get the door open. Yep, winter's back, so I guess we're just gonna hunker down for the day and get through it, because the weather's supposed to get nice after this, so just got to get through this snap here. But got to keep milking the cows here, and the cats keep thinking they're gonna get more milk. You guys already had some milk. Well, I was a little bit concerned. Anybody remembers the video from Monday? Those baby kittens were in this one calf pen here, and I was a little bit concerned that maybe it's going to be a little too cold for those cats, so I thought I would build a little shelter for them back here. It's that way. The mom, yep, there's the mom in there. It's okay. Yep. That way, at least the cats got something to, a little shelter. Hopefully they'll stay warmer in there so they won't get too cold, but we'll see if it works. Well, it's fence line feeder again. Shouldn't we be done with that? It is spring. Oh, well, I guess. It's gotta be done. Well, it looks like those rebel calves are staying in. Yeah, fences. You guys can remember the video from the other day. Those little stinkers over there. Someone jumped over that wire over there. And at least it looks like it worked putting those extra round posts in. It just intimidated them a little bit more. But hopefully there's no, I'm a little bit concerned with the snow being wet and heavy, if it's gonna knock some tree branches down, fall on the wire. And well, what I'm really concerned about is our power lines that come, that feed the electricity into the farm here. That comes from the road out there. Well, it looks like those rebel calves are staying in. Yeah, fences. You guys can remember the video from the other day. Those little stinkers over there. Someone jumped over that wire over there. And at least it looks like it worked putting those extra round posts in. It just intimidated them a little bit more. But hopefully there's no, I'm a little bit concerned with the snow being wet and heavy, if it's gonna knock some tree branches down, fall on the wire. And well, what I'm really concerned about is our power lines that come, that feed the electricity into the farm here. That comes from the road out there. Okay, as I was just saying, my camera just went dead on me all of a sudden, so it cut me off. And so anyways, as I was saying, yeah, I'm a little bit concerned being there's those trees that are kind of close to that power line there. Usually the electric company is in charge of trimming that down. I know they've been out here in the past and trimmed it down, but I know sometimes the best thing would be if they dig a wire in. But yeah, that's one thing that we could have trouble with. If a tree or something would go on those power lines, we would be out of power. And then the electric company probably wouldn't make it out here because it'd be a blizzard, so we'd have to put the generator or hook that up. So I guess hopefully it don't happen. Well, loading up the feeder wagon here for the milk cows, so we could feed in here tonight at least. Well, I'm loading it for tonight and the morning. But yeah, I know it doesn't look like it's snowing out much yet. I mean, it was snowing a little heavier. I know, I suppose around 10:30 this morning it was, and now it kind of let up. But the worst is yet to come. This is nothing compared to what they say is supposed to come. The winds are supposed to pick up more, and it's gonna get downright nasty. Yes, it is. We'll see what happens. I don't know. I was looking at the hourly forecast here earlier on my phone, and it was what is it saying here? If it loads, it's loading up slow here today. I don't know, maybe I've gone over my data. Let's see, if you look at the hourly forecast on here, it's not loading. Ah, there it is. Yep. Blizzard, blizzard. Blizzard, blizzard, blizzard. All the way up. I don't know. Let's see, a blizzard. All the way to 11. Is that tomorrow night? No, wait. Yeah, 11. No, till 1 p.m. No, 2 p.m. No, 3 p.m. tomorrow is supposed to be a blizzard, so. Yep. I don't know, the map isn't loading. I don't know. But anyway, yep. It's supposed to get nasty. So, just take my word for it. It's not going to be good. Oh. It sounds like, though, it is supposed to be... Now things are supposed to be kind of nice again after Friday, so I guess we'll get through it. It's not like we haven't been through something like this before. It's just kind of irritating, frustrating. Anyways, I'm gonna get this finished up here, and we got a bed. I guess we're not gonna clean out the dry cow shed today. I don't think we're going to try to do it. So I guess we're just going to bed in there and forget about it for now. We need to get manure hauled because we obviously got to get it hauled out before we get everything planted this spring. So otherwise it piles up and piles up. So I guess let's take it a day at a time and see what happens. Okay, I got the feeder wagon all loaded up for the milk cows here later this evening, so we can feed them later this evening, and then feed them again in the morning. We just, feed out half the feeder wagon tonight, and then they'll feed out the other half in the morning. Yeah, so that's done, and the only thing left to do too is we got to bed the dry cow shed. And I probably should bed the one calf barn. The calf barn we call the new calf barn. It was built back in 2012. Probably should bed the calves down there too. I got the bales in the loader bucket over there, so we can bed there. But I'm gonna grab a little bite to eat here first because my stomach is telling me that it needs some food in it. So. Yeah, so y'all dang it, the snow anyways. Oh, I don't know. I hate looking at it. I just feel like we got a lot of stuff we got to do yet to get ready for spring planting. We got to get oats loaded up, or a gravity box of oats loaded up, and get oats cleaned, or get the seed oats cleaned. And then the other thing too we got to do is get the fertilizer coming, and we can't get the fertilizer coming, but we're waiting for some money for those soybeans yet. They haven't sent the check in the mail yet, so as soon as that check comes, you know, it's like we gotta, so that way we can get the fertilizer paid for and get that coming. And obviously we got to get the drill ready. It ain't gonna be too much to get the drill ready. The drill is buried back there in the shed, way back here. And there's still water in here yet. Someday what we should do is just clear out all the machinery. Maybe I said that before in another video, but just take all the machinery out of here and just slope the shed so all the water goes out that corner. It's lower elevation in that corner. But oh yeah, here's the drill. I should have turned the light on in here, but yep. The birds have been doing their job of pooping on the thing. Yeah, there's not going to be too much to get ready, just to clean it out. Clean all the seed tubes out and make sure they're clean for the alfalfa. And yeah, I know pretty sure we cleaned out this. Yep, that's all cleaned out. Just to make sure everything's working good on here. Yeah, these drills, they hook together, in case anybody didn't know that. Yeah, we hook them together so that way they does 24 feet, so yeah. So we got that to get ready. We got some tillage equipment to get ready. And the weather needs to get ready. That's the biggest thing. The weather has to get ready. I mean, like I said in yesterday's video, I do not think we'll be out in the field here in April yet. It's going to be May, excuse me, before we get out there. But what can you do? That's the same thing we had to do last year. Last year we didn't get out anything seed until May, and then it just got warm so fast last year, and you just couldn't keep up. It just like literally, it just went from winter to summer last year, literally. That's all it did. We skipped over spring and went right to summer. Yep, we can hear the wind start to pick up. That's where we're getting our blizzard. That's where we're under our blizzard warning, because the winds are going to blow nasty. So, yeah, we got a lot of stuff we got to get ready for spring. I'm anxious to get it. I'm very, very anxious to get out in the field and turn over some black dirt. And, yeah. So, yeah, but first we got to get that fertilizer here. In case anybody didn't know, our fertilizer, we get it in tote bags. It comes from New Mexico. Yes, they ship it all the way up here from New Mexico. I'll do a video about that when it comes someday and talk to you guys about it. But anyways, I'm gonna go grab something to eat, and then we got to get back out here and get those bales into the dry cow shed and get them bedded so they're happy. So anyways, guys, please like, rate, comment, and subscribe for more. And thanks so much for everybody that's taking the time to hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And like I've said before, if you guys have any questions, just drop them down there in the comment section. You know, any questions about organic, drop them down there in the comment section below. Yeah. So, like I say, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And we'll see what happens here tomorrow. But I know it's going to be blizzardy again tomorrow. So that's about it. So that's it. So take care, and I'll catch you later.